The available power second row captain's chairs in your Hyundai provide exceptional comfort and adjustability. Controls for seat back recline and seat tilt adjustment are located on the outside of the seat. Simply move the controls in the desired direction to adjust the seats. In some models, the seats also have a seat cushion extension. This can be extended for those who desire more upper leg support. You can also fold the seats completely flat by moving the seat back to fully vertical, then pressing and holding the seat back switch button forward again for a few seconds. Both first and second row seats may adjust themselves to allow the second row seat to fold flat. To unfold the seat back, press the seat back switch rearward for a few seconds. When it's time to get into or out of the rear seats, you can do so quickly with the press of a button. On both the top and the side of each second row seat is the fold and dive button. Pressing the button will quickly fold the seat back forward and slide the seat forward for easy access to the third row seating area. Pressing the button again will move the seat back to the original position. Some models may also have the second row captain's chairs equipped with the relaxation comfort seat feature. See the link in the description below for information on this feature. Finally, for passengers in the right second row seat, you can adjust the position of the front passenger seat. On models equipped with the feature, there are two adjustment buttons on the left side of the seat. The upper button adjusts the seat back, while the lower button adjusts the seat cushion. For more information on these features, be sure to consult your owner's manual, available at My Hyundai, or the user's manual, accessible via the touchscreen. And be sure to visit HyundaiHowTos.com, My Hyundai, and the Hyundai USA YouTube channel for more helpful videos for your Hyundai.